There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so adorable, and love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, right now, oh my God, may God Almighty continue to bless you. You are welcome to my world. Oh my goodness. So guys, today's video, oh my goodness, it's all about this beautiful bob wig, guys. Oh my God, this is Jericho. Okay, you all know Jericho. So this is Jericho. So do you want to know where this wig is coming from? Oh my God, from Ali Grace Hair. You all know I love Ali Grace Hair so much. Oh my goodness, this is not the first time working with them, and I will continue working with them because they are so good when it comes to hair. Oh my goodness, any type of hair, guys, just rush down to my description box and click the link below. You will see any type of hair you want for yourself. So if you want this very hair for yourself, rush down to my description box, click the link below, and it will take you to their store. Okay, Ali Grace Hair, they are simply the best. I love them so much. You see, so this hair, guys, is a Jericho. Okay, so you can actually wear it the way you want. You all know Jericho. If you want it to be full, okay, you can actually do it the way you want. I don't know how to put the word, guys. So for me, I don't want it to be full because everywhere is so hot. So I decided to wear the hair and just put my finger through. Okay, I use my finger to separate it instead of using the brush or comb. You know, as you can see, you see the way it's rising. So the more you pour water, the more you brush it, or the more you comb it, I don't know how to put the word, so the more it becomes so full. Okay, so right now I love it this way. It's so beautiful. Ali Grace, you guys are simply the best. Thank you for all your amazing hair. I will continue working with you guys. Oh my goodness. So guys, if you want to be buying hair, you want to buy real hair, original hair, go straight to my description box, click the link there. You see any type of hair you want for yourself. If you don't want this, if you don't like this, I know you are going to like this, you know. So this is actually bob. It's good for this summer. Okay, so go to my description box, click the link below, and order this beautiful hair for yourself. You can actually style it the way you want. Okay, so let me show you. You can actually style it the way you want, guys. You see, you can put it this way. Oh my God, oh my goodness. See, you see, so you can actually do it like this. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, guys. Jericho bob wig, Jericho. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much, guys. I really love the hair. It's so beautiful. You know, the texture is so good. There is no shade. Okay, don't worry about you brushing the hair. Okay, it's okay. You can do it the way you want. Okay, see the hair is so beautiful. It burns in. Oh my goodness, if you are the type that don't even know how to draw your eyebrow, I think this hair is for you too. Okay, because it's going to cover everything up. Oh my goodness, it's so. And if you continue watching my video, you are going to see how I style this hair, guys. Oh my goodness, very fast. You don't need anybody to style this hair for you. You don't need to go to the salon. Okay, all you need to do is just to get your water. If you are the type that like putting product on your hair. You can actually put any kind of product on this hair, guys. It's 100% human hair. Okay, this is not synthetic, so don't be afraid. You can actually put any type of product you want on this hair to suit the kind of style or how you want the hair to be for yourself. Okay, so if you don't need anything at all you need is just to get your water. Can add some little conditioner if you wish. Okay, then spray it. Okay, just pour the water to put your finger through or use the brush or comb. Oh my goodness, you are good to go, guys. Okay, so it's simple. So continue watching my video to the end to see how I style this beautiful hair, and see you on my next video. Don't forget to go to my description box and click the link below. Okay, and it will take you straight to Ali Grace Hair. They are simply the best. Okay, that is the right place to shop for your wig, okay, or for your hair, anyone. All right, so that is it, guys. See you on my next video, and bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video, it's all about this beautiful bob wig, Jericho, guys. Yeah, this hair is from Ali Grace Hair. You all know Ali Grace Hair. Oh my goodness, they are simply the best. Their hair is so good. It's 100% human hair. So as you can see the hair right now, this is bob wig, you know, bob wig, and it's very good for this summer, you know. So we are still battling with the summer, you know. Everywhere is so hot, so this hair is good for you. Inside is very neat. We have 3 combs, you know, and the adjustment, guys, and it's very good. So all you need to do to get this hair for yourself is to rush down to my description box, click the link below, and it will take you to their store. Okay, and you can actually get any type of hair you want from their shop, guys. They are very good. Their hair is 100% human hair. Okay, so guys, if you want to make this hair to be very full, you can actually use your brush to, as in your comb, your big man comb, to comb the hair very well, and it's going to be very full. It's jerry coil, so adding water making it to be more coils and more full, guys. So for me, I don't need anything very full. I don't need it full because this place is very hot, so I love it this way, and it was very okay this way. So if you want to leave it this way, it's also good, but if you want it to be full, you know, just brush the hair and you will still get the same coils, guys. Trust me. Yeah, the hair is just like this. I love this hair so much. So that is, you see the way I dress the hair. I just put little water, as I made the water with little condition, guys. Yeah, so spraying it, just spray the water on the hair, then use my hand to go through to separate it to make it rise more, you know. So that is what I just did. So I don't want the hair to be more, as in to come down very much. If you want it to come down to cover your eyebrow, you can actually push it down. Okay, so right now I'm just removing the excess hair from the front, okay, to make everything look so balanced and beautiful. So you can actually do it the same way, the way you are seeing it right now, or you do it more than this. So it all depends how you want your hair to be dressed. Okay, so this you can actually pack it side, you know, do it any style you want. Okay, do it any style you want. It's also good like this. You see the back is the same thing. It's very beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. Ali Grace Hair, thank you so much for this amazing hair. It's so beautiful. You guys are simply the best. So I will continue getting all my hair from Ali Grace Hair. I love this so much.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see